I'm not singing an Elvis Presley because I just decided to sing my own song. And I can't memorize yet. Here I am, and all alone, thinking of the past, the moments that we shared. But here we are, so far away, 'cause when you're not around, I just can't hear the sound. And when you hear this simple song of me, I hope that you would realize how much you mean to me. Because I'm so in love with you. Though I hadn't loved before, but that's my past, and I'm sure that we will be forever, you and me. I can see the stars at night, and I can see the moon so bright, the loneliness inside I just can't deny. And when you hear this simple song of me, I hope that you would realize how much you mean to me. Because I'm so in love with you. Though I hadn't loved before, but that's my past, and I am sure that we will be forever, you and me. Because I'm so though I hadn't loved before, but that's my past, and I am sure that we will be forever, you and me.
Mr. Johnson, top that. Woo! Dr. Baloo! Or should I say, Dr. Love?